Welcome everybody. I just wanted to hop onto a video to show you this project I had just completed. This is a bead weaving project that I had in my half-made drawer, as I like to call it, because I have a lot of projects that I start but don't finish. So I was rummaging through the drawer and I found this project that I was intending to make for myself, but never got around to finishing it. So I decided to complete it yesterday when I had a few minutes spare. So this is a bead weaving project, and for this piece I actually followed a pattern by BronzePony, and you can find her on YouTube. She does some wonderful tutorials of how to do bead weaving. And it's a bracelet, and it is done with needle and thread. So it's a beading needle and beading thread, usually fishing line, which is braided. It's very thin thread. And I use for this project two different types of Japanese seed beads, which are called delicas. And I did a shiny one, which I think is, let's see what the color is here. Iris gunmetal. It's really pretty. And this one is matte dark gray. Now these are the best beads you can find for bead weaving because they are all uniformed, meaning they're all the same size, the same shape. There's not many that are misshapen at all when you buy these beads. So they're the best that you can use for bead weaving projects. Sorry. And these are an 11/0 size. So basically with this project you follow a pattern and it just works up so beautifully. I mean, it feels like fabric. As you can see, it's so flexible. And this is a bracelet. And so you start off with two different, you use two different stitches. So this is called brick stitch. As you can see, it's all very flat and uniformed here. You can see that. And then you switch into a different stitch called herringbone stitch, where the beads are like slightly diagonal to each other. You can see that. But it's absolutely beautiful and it feels so light and, you know, so comfortable on. I'm going to put it on right now for you. And like I said, I intended to make this for myself. But then I got sidetracked. Oh, and then I added like a little button toggle. So you can see you can wear it that way to have a little detail, or you can turn it around just to see the wide band. And like I said, it really works up like fabric. It's so flexible, so comfortable. You hardly know you're wearing it. And it's such a fun but simple design that you could wear it with a lot of different things. And especially this color range, because I love grays and I love blacks, and with that little sparkle there, you see the sparkle there with the one tone of delicas that I used, just gives it enough sparkle to make it fancy for the evening or even for day wear, because it's not too over the top. So I wanted to show you this bracelet, and I don't think I'm going to put it on the website. I'm going to be just putting this out for, you know, if you're interested in this piece, you can DM me or private message me on Facebook. And yeah, just wanted to show you that. So I might be adding a few more pieces that probably not going to make it to the website yet. I'll have to look through my drawer and see what else I can finish. But I think this one was like 5 years in the making. Shame on me. I should have really made it a lot sooner because it is so beautiful. Okay, guys, if you're interested, just let me know. Send me a message and I'll let you know how much this one's going for. Thanks.